How to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to cancel your order on Uber Eats, first of all it just depends upon what stage the order is in. If it's already been like half an hour since you made your order and the order might have already been prepared and they have already started making and preparing it, in that case you cannot cancel it. And even if you want to cancel it, you have to pay the full amount of price because you are likely to incur a fee because their food has been gone to waste. That is the reason why. But sometimes if you're lucky, if it's just been like a minute or two, let's say just 5 or 10 minutes, the order has not started preparing itself, in that case you can still choose to cancel it by simply opening up your Uber Eats app, then tapping the account icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you're here, you can just tap the orders option from the very top here, and once you tap on the orders tab, you'll be able to go ahead and see a list of your orders, and if it's cancelable, you'll be able to cancel them if you'd like. This way you should be able to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.